Honda Genuine Parts. Drive chain. What is the value of Honda Genuine Parts? Honda Genuine maintenance parts safeguard your motorcycle's continuing high standards of performance in terms of safety, comfort and drivability. These Honda Genuine maintenance parts are of identical quality to those used in the making of Honda vehicles. You are ensuring that your vehicle will continue to offer you a comfortable ride, superior handling and road holding qualities and the highest standards of protection. For example, drive chain. The drive chain has a crucial function for transmitting engine power to the rear wheel, and is exposed to severe conditions like rain, dust and dirt, when running. Honda Genuine drive chains are designed by Honda for each model to provide the best performance for the motorcycle. Honda Genuine drive chains have passed rigorous durability tests considering various terrains and environments. They are the only drive chain that Honda guarantees for reliability and durability. You are helping to extend your vehicle's useful life and you can enjoy many years of enjoyable motoring.